So, right after I made that last video, I was sitting there looking at the compressor wondering what I could do, if I could make my own reed valves. And I looked at the head and said, hey, that's right, there's 4 reed valves in the kit. So, I looked at the spare parts compressor. And look at there, on its head, there's a reed valve that was good and there's a bad one too. So, I'm just going to swap the reed valve over after I clean it up, and she should make pressure. Crank this sucker up and just clean her up. I'm really not worried about the dirt, I just want it to seal right. I should probably grip that with pliers. Or turn this down. That should work. Oh, look, it's a little warm. It's a little warm. But it's working. Alright, that worked. So I guess if you want to call this a part 2, you can. I don't know. We'll see. But let's see if this sucker fits on there. It should. All the reed valves look the same. Looks to be the same size. Let's see if that sucker sits right on there. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. It sits like it's made to be there. It probably is. But look at that. Just like that. In the right spot and everything. Awesome. Let me get it back together and we'll see if she's making pressure.